through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed.
Chad, baby. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are ready for another one. The amount of messages of Iron 2000 taking over. The guys absolutely just wanting more. But we're going to have to see, guys. We are going to have to see. But I hope you guys are ready. We are getting to the second last session, end of the week before another beautiful long weekend. And as you guys can see, if something is good, you don't want to change it up. So we're enjoying it like that for now. So I got my big special guest here with me today again. Big man Ed, how you doing today, brother?
Can't complain. How you doing, brother?
Can't complain, bro. All good. This side. I mean, hey, when Iron 2000 is making you money, what is there to complain about?
It's almost boring to trade now.
Here we go. Chad, give us a heads up there on the audio. If it's a bit too loud, if it's too soft, do you want it a little bit different? However the case is, just give us a heads up on that one. But everything else seems pretty good, yeah. So I closed my 3 long position USD in profit now. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. All good. Okay, so Chad, before we get into anything now, before we get ready, before we kickstart everything, there you guys can see the pin. Go and watch this video. So I'm going to send you guys in a few seconds. Obviously, we're going to open up with a prayer, so don't go anywhere. And then after that, you guys can quickly go check that out for everything about Trade For You, the Trade For You company, the umbrella. We're going to be talking about Iron 2000, the OG indicator, all those things, how it's all going to come together. Go check that out. But before we get into it, as always, the way we're doing it in New York, I'm going to ask my big man to the right of me over here to please open us up with a prayer, and we can get this ball rolling.
All right, Chad, let's bow our heads in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, we come to you today, Thursday. It is coming to the end of a week. Please continue to bless us. Please continue to watch over us as we go again into one of the most challenging endeavors a person can get into, as we willingly sacrifice our time, our stress levels, some of us, our mental health, as we go in, as we try to provide for ourselves, provide for our families, so that we can pull ourselves up from the situations we are currently in. So we ask, as we undergo this venture, that you watch over us, that you protect us, that you walk with us, so that we may do this in a way that glorifies your name. In Jesus Christ we pray, amen.
Amen. There we have it, Chad. Let's get it going. So as always, we're going to start it off with the fundamental chat. Sorry guys, I just needed to change that there quickly. There we go. Let's get into it. So starting us off with the fundamental chat. Have a look here. So you guys will take note, 230 today, we did have unemployment claims, so we do have some volume that is going to drive a little bit in the New York session. Coming out pretty much as expected, so forecast 222, came out 222, so nothing too crazy there, but we do hope it can just bring in that little bit of volume. And then existing home sales going to come out at 4 o'clock. Again, they are expecting a little bit more of a drop there as well. But I don't always say orange folder, not going to do too much, but we will just keep a lookout for it. But we'll be paying attention there. But then let's take it over to the charts and see what is happening. So let's start off with the dollar. I'm going to take away these little magical blocks. I know my brother Chris was drawing them this morning. I don't know what he was saying to you guys about them. But yeah, he was drawing those little blocks there for you guys. So we're going to see it now daily. We are in still that neutral position. The big thing I want to see was at this daily, weekly key level, what was going to happen there. And we are starting to really turn bearish now. We can see on the 4 hour, we literally tapped into, we actually gapped down a little bit and then just immediately starting to fall. The big thing for me, holding under the EQ, if we continue this bearish momentum, obviously unemployment claims, and then going into that low existing home sales, we're going to see this come back down and we can go all the way back down to this weekly S1, because again, big thing for me guys, previous weekly low, you guys know when I talk about these levels, if that breaks, good chance we're going to break, hold, and then wiggle our way all the way down, weekly S1 back to previous daily lows, where again, if we take that out, then we see another drive of volume and we go all the way back down to weekly S2. So just that little chain effect over there, but we are going to see how that plays out. NASDAQ, again, a lot of guys asking us this morning, is it going to go for the gap fill? Now guys, we are in a little bit of a range. You see that major support level. We see that over there. And the big thing for me is our monthly pivot is above us. Obviously, we trade that. We also slowly get into the end of the month. But the thing for me, guys, is NASDAQ. We spoke about having that gap there. and also having that gap underneath us now. So you had two. We traded up, technically closed this gap. Now you want to trade down. Again, doesn't mean it has to be closed immediately, guys. So when we start looking at the 4 hour, this thing can still hold and it can trade quite nicely. It did come down a little bit short of that weekly pivot test, but did test there. And the big thing for me, again, same thing you guys heard me talk about earlier now, previous daily low. These are areas you really want to see volume coming on the charts, and that is exactly what we're doing. So as you start to drop down, you can see this come in. I think again Chris drawing some levels here, lining up quite nicely with Asia lows. But the big thing for us, guys, not only did we test daily S1, that you can see the test there was previous daily low, breaking back above, holding that 200 nicely, and now going back up there to Asia highs, which remain untested. So we'll have a look out for that there. But things are going to get interesting, yeah. Hence, we can definitely still stay neutral, because once this Asia high has been taken with the EQ, you could even see a potential grabber kick come into play. And this thing can drop further down and always go for that other gap fill. Otherwise, we can see a complete switch around. US 30, we are still having a little bit more of a neutral outlook. The difference is, yeah, we've held a few more key areas. We can see, obviously, there's a major level here. Now, the big thing for me, guys, is as much as this happens, I'm going to do it like this for you guys. If we look at this like that on a daily, so I think this is maybe what Chris was actually going with this, is we had our main level on a weekly key level. We then tested it again, but held bodily closures even lower. What happened? We tested it again, closed even lower, take out the lows, we had the move. Now on the drive back, all that happened, we tested the main psychological level, 39,000. Came up a little bit higher, basically touching those, I want to say neckline, but then coming all the way back down. So now we know, firstly, there's a gap fill over there, and then we still want to go bearish. One thing, what can you all notice about this? It is still going down. Typical. No highs were ever taken out in that sense. There was wicks, but not bodily closures. So does that already start telling us a story of something else we want to focus on here? Going to be quite interesting in my opinion. The big thing is either now we break back above, get above this weekly pivot. That's where you can see that move happen. And if it does go bullish, I think this is going to be quite a big day on the market, because then we're going to go for those highs. But if it does reject, if it holds out, taking out those lows, holding previous daily lows, that same thing, weekly pivot, all this, we're going to go for that complete gap fill, and we could go all the way back down to that yearly support again. So quite a defining factor for US 30. Then lastly, with gold, big thing, we are still obviously very much bullish, guys, but we have to take note of what's happening here. So the big thing for me right now, again, where Chris has drawn out some levels for you guys, we can see the big one for me being this yearly resistance. So we tested that. If this is going structure, what is this, guys? Just your lower high to then make a new high. Okay, very simple stuff. So we're going to see that continue out there. The 4 hour, we can see what happened. It tested, we tried coming back down, couldn't go further down. We actually gapped up, holding the monthly R2, getting above the daily EQ, and we're actually holding quite nicely there now. So again, going to go back to that idea, that same thing we did this morning, guys. For those that missed this trade, I'm actually going to take it off, and you guys have seen that. That was this morning's trade. If this breaks down and finally can break under that EQ and hold, we're going to see that run at Asia lows untested, and that can give us that move to continue further down. But if this does hold and we get back above, especially above this 200, we can see keeping it here. Previous weekly high, Asia highs also untested, and we can see that potential run all the way back up previous daily highs, weekly R1, and so forth to make that return to all-time highs. So going to be quite interesting. I think today going to be a little bit of a big one on the market. So let's see what we can catch. But Ed, over to you, brother.
All right, Chad, looking at US 30. So remember, we had that gap that opened up Wednesday morning. We finally filled that gap out this early morning. I was in shorts for there till the daily S1. Currently in US 30 buys, we broke out of the Asian range this morning. Pretty much straight down traffic, broke back into the Asian range here. Asian highs untested. So we could see a little bit of a bullish push during this session potentially. What I would be expecting is a little bit of a run for Asia highs, maybe this weekly pivot level, maybe the daily pivot, maybe even as much as the EQ before a bearish turnaround. Now, when we open up now in the next 12 minutes, we could see the bearish move happen now after a bit of a pullback, maybe up to Asian highs, hopefully for this trade, and then the bearish turn after. I am a little bit more neutral on US 30, but I would not be surprised if we did see a little bit more of a bearish turn after this price action plays out. So I'm going to be a little bit more reactive as opposed to predictive on it. So we're going to see how things turn out. Currently in this trade, running nicely thus far. So we're going to see how that plays out. In terms of gold, if we look at what price action's been like since this morning's open, you can see how we're ranging a little bit in the Asian range here. Price struggling to make up its mind as to where it wants to go. So I normally take this as a sign that the price is setting up for something quite large. Overall, long term, I am bullish on gold. We did test this yearly resistance level down here. So if this is going to be the lower high to set up, we could see a nice little aggressive push up to the daily R1 and beyond. Or if gold is going to range here a little bit longer, setting up for maybe something next week, we could see a little bit more of a larger range, maybe testing this yearly pivot level one more time, maybe even a deeper retrace before then swinging for its ultimate bullish run. Now, long term, gold, if we look in terms of months and years, gold is always going to make a bullish run overall. All-time highs have never not been broken. It's just trying to figure out where that lower high is going to rest. So the lower high could be here around this yearly resistance level, or we could be in for a little bit of a deeper pullback. We're not going to try and get too predictive with it, but we are going to bear in mind that that lower high is going to form itself somewhere. So just going to watch what price action does. This little range, this large Asian range, small London range is a sign that something big is going to come at some point. So we just have to be nimble and on our feet, ready to catch it, whatever that may be. And that is the two pairs I'm going to be looking at this afternoon.
There we go. All right. Okay, guys. Just need to sort out the cracker there for Project G, guys.
Let's see what that bad boy is doing.
Then we're gonna see.
Zoom into this trade quick.
Okay.
Going for like a little 1-to-1 here. Nothing crazy.
I'm gonna leave it there on your screen for now, Ed.
All good.
Since the guys can just watch what you are doing.
Cool. This is a real high risk trade, Chad. I don't typically like being in a trade like this just before what's this thing called, New York Open. I was hoping I'd be break even by now, but price has stalled in anticipation of New York Open. So it is what it is. The criteria it was taken on was valid at the time, so we're in for a chip of the chair here.
All right. Okay. Jack and Son, we are replacing it there, my brother.
So Chad, if you're not in this trade, I would caution you against entering it right now because, like I said, New York Open's about to hit. And that tends to be, as we know, a little volatile.
Still the same outlook, guys. The Prodigy members just was you guys will see it now.
Wait.
So look there. Alright, there you guys should have it right there. Yeah, there you go. You guys should have the right thing now.
Interesting.
It's literally still all the same. It's still all the same concept, guys. You guys still see it was the same thing. The reasoning behind the trade, everything literally was just the chart that we had it on the wrong one.
Oh, did you put it in something else?
Yeah, that's what I say, guys. It's a mechanical thing. That should prove it to you guys. So I can still. It's literally all the exact thing. It was just on the wrong chart. Okay. So we'll see what happens. Keep with the guys stress. Hey, Chad, don't you worry. Don't you worry.
Monday's a public holiday.
Yeah, bo.
Hey, short week.
Yeah, bo.
Hey, short week.
Okay, guys, got 6 minutes till market open. Let's see what happens. The boys are ready.
Come on. Just fly to my TP before open. Just fly to my TP before open. Come on.
I know Chris is packing his bags there, guys. That man.
No, he literally said if he hits TP on this one, we're not gonna see him till Tuesday.
Financial freedom day. There we go. Next week is a three-day work week. Is it?
Yeah. Workers' day on the Thursday, but we agreed to come in the Thursday and take the Friday off.
Oh, okay.
That's better. Then you get the 3-day weekend instead of like off
Yeah.
Thursday, then come back and then.
Yeah. Wait, but what is Thursday?
Workers' day. 1st of May.
No, but so it's not a.
Oh, in terms of I don't know. No, it's too soon.
It's a bank holiday for everything, bro.
The Thursday.
Yeah, I'd say we literally will be choked.
That's it. No, man.
Swiss, European, Italian, Germany, French.
No man, is that
You'll be able to come trade,
Is that
but
ev-
it's going to have such low volume.
is that everyone's Workers' Day? Why is? Sure, okay.
They all bank holidays, so
Not the US though.
not US. So
yeah.
New York would be fine.
New York would be good.
Yeah, because there is US unemployment claims and PMI, so there will be some volume there. But
Oh, dude, the Friday is NFP.
it's fine. I'll trade NFP at home, bro, with the Prodigy guys. I don't have to come in for that.
Yeah, I don't have to come in. Sure, on the 2nd of May. That seems soon. Shit. Okay.
Keys, you can consider that a Doji candle USD on the 15-minute chart. Yo, my brother, hold on. I need to. You guys forget. Maybe I know you're trying to be clever, yeah. But I can't. I don't see a doji on the 15 minutes. So I don't know what. Which one? The previous 15. Hey, the previous one.
I
Is
think
that what we're talking about?
the 3 o'clock one. Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, the 3 o'clock candle.
I mean, I suppose.
Are you supposed to work on Workers' Day? That's the thing, bro. When you hustle for yourself, you work whenever you must work.
We believe
Yes,
in the mission.
I'd consider that a doji, yeah.
Udoji. Are we buying? Are we selling? We don't know. Oh, here it comes.
Head hold it until market open. Man's got faith.
I'm either about to be smiling or I'm about to get wrecked.
Your stop loss is my TP. Ooh, just kidding.
Oh shit, we got a badass over here.
The 5 to 9 is how you escape the 9 to 5. That's it, bro. We always say the 9 to 5 must fund your 5 to 9 until your 5 to 9 can replace the 9 to 5.
Rooks, all I'm saying is if the rest of this week emulates the beginning of this week. And I have a few more weeks like that. There's one day Ed's gonna come to the office gak late, and there's gonna be like this noisy ass car going around in circles around this block, and everyone's gonna be like, "What the frick's going on? Who's driving that blue 86? What's going on?" And then I'm gonna come out and just like, "Nah, it's me, boys."
Trader's life. All right, 1 minute. Let's see if Ed and Chris put the house on it.
It is dancing towards my break-even point.
Can you trust Iron 2000?
But knowing New York Open, this thing is gonna like dance and swing. It must just go up. Just go up. Tap Asia high and then be done. Just tap Asia highs and be done. Don't play nonsense with me.
Hey.
Don't play nonsense with me.
Go up in your chat and the G's. What's up, my brother? Come on, guys. 230 of you, only 56 likes. I'm sure you guys can up those likes a bit there.
Fix that.
We got 20 seconds till market open. Let's see what's gonna happen here.
Come now. Come now. Come now. Be nice. Be nice.
All right, there's a Chad.
Bye.
Round 8. Markets open. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
No, Dow Jones. No, Tenga. Wenzan. You must buy. Okay, what is that? Asia lows. Okay, retest Asia low. It's fine. And now buy. Jigela fundin. And the first thing I said when I entered this is like, market open is like 40 minutes away. Do I really want to enter this right now?
Hey, bro.
Is what it is. I took a win this morning.
Chris, I guess you're coming in tomorrow, brother.
Is what it is. The nice thing is though, because I think it will eventually swing back up. If it breaks this, it will be setting up for the next one. Got that 200 EMA acting as dynamic support. Let's see if that's enough to survive. I might just add a rule though. Do not trade. Even the Iron 2000 before market open has a tough time. Okay, let's see what the other pairs are doing so long. Nas has been a tough one today. And Golite.
Alright.
Is that a sell on gold? That's on the edge. Hey, Kings, would you take that sell on gold?
No, probably
It's
not.
on the edge, eh?
Probably not.
The 1 minute one would have been better. I missed that. Okay. We wait for the next one. I'm in buy and sell.
Yeah, man's in it all.
Hedging your bets there, man.
He's
Mr.
like,
No,
that is the way.
yo, Mr. No Stop Loss, no problem. Hey, I'm not that brave, eh? I am not that brave, nor am I that lucky. Hawu uDow Jones thenga mfundini. Wenzani? This thing wants to tickle that stop. It's teasing it. It's teasing it. How big is this range? Yes, we're still getting 180 pip 5 minute candles. Like, if you had told me this is the kind of volume we were gonna get, if you told me last year this is what we'd be seeing, I don't think I'd have believed you, eh? I do not think I'd have believed you. Are we even still in this? Has spread kept us in? Yeah, still in. If only just. This is why I closed my longs in US 30 before market opened. I wanted to, but I had to have faith, man. The Iron 2000 has not steered me too wrong. Sometimes you gotta give her, take the good with the bad. Take the good with the bad.
Sorry guys, I've just had to be focused out with Project G. That is a lot to do all this at the same time.
Yeah. Oh shit, Cracker went, Cracker played out, eh?
Yeah, bro.
Ooh, laka. Must be nice. Must be nice. your literal TP is my stop loss. Screw you.
Yes, bro. Nothing personal.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's funny. It is still keen. What? It is still to make the account pregnant. Artificial insemination, ba, is coming.
Sometimes I am so confused.
What?
This chat and where their minds go. Like, what are you doing?
Yeah, Dow Jones. Yeah, Tang, I'm funding. Nuke, come on. Yeah, Jeganjal. That's the one.
Sure. Okay, now it's done, bro. I can actually focus on what I want to do. Because that's the only thing I hate, bro, Chad. Like, I love you guys. But now, when it's like, you got to watch this now. Got to watch Iron 2000. I got to watch The Cracker.
It gets a bit much.
Yo.
It gets a bit much. I was telling Chris, like, I've pretty much abandoned everything else for now. Because I can't do the Iron 2000 and everything else. It's just too much. There's too much going on.
Bro.
There's too much going on.
Like, you sit here now trying to do everything, and I'm just like, what the hell's going on here?
I was even like my personal account. Like I don't look at it during New York because I find like the volume is so quick. I don't have time to enter both. I'm like I need to focus.
I can't put my eyes everywhere.
I'm only human after all. Okay, Naz is still buying quite nicely, so I'm hoping US 30 is gonna follow suit. Although if I was the market maker, I would come down, grab some liquidity, and then make my move up. And whoever that market maker is, do not listen to me. You can just go up. You don't need liquidity. You got plenty of liquidity. Just go. Just go. But taking down these lovely little lows here would be a nice little market maker move. Market maker bentlada, man. I was joking. Go back. Go back. I was joking. I swear, that's what's gonna do. It's gonna take these lows out and then it will turn.
Nah, you asked it, bro. It was like, okay, he wants to be clever. I apologize, sorry. That was not on purpose.
Round one.
Let's just do that so I can end it, alright? Otherwise we were gonna sit here listening to that.
Yeah, that one goes on for a while.
Yeah.
And now you jinxed it, right? Hey, Chad, words are powerful. Words are powerful. You can't say these things out loud.
Hey, Chad. We are waiting.
Brian, well, Iron 2000 gave this. But we entered at like 255. Hoping to survive this New York Open volatility. Back in the Asian range. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. Yes. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Nyuga mfundi nyuga.
Sure, I'm just waiting for my stuff to load so that I can take a trade.
This is a good sign.
Hello.
Iron 2000 showed a weak sell signal on gold. I didn't want to take it, but it's in profits currently. But that was not a convincing enough setup for me. Also entering one of the zones, could bounce from that quite easily. Yeah, not for me. Not for me, not for me. And then Naz is just one-way traffic.
We're trying to see what is going on here.
I feel like I should have taken a little reverse grubber on Naz. I feel like that would have worked out beautifully.
On Naz.
Alright, let's see. No, never mind. The EQ is in this middle of the Asian range. But yeah, as it broke back in the Asian range, you could have taken that. That would have been clean. US 30 playing games. Yes, Chad. If we hit TP on this, because yeah, that came within a ball hair of our stop loss there.
The boys are like, we got this.
Man, the Iron 2000 and Wade tells you to put your stop though.
We got
The
this.
Iron 2000 and Wade tells you to put your stop though. Mathematics. Where's Bonang?
That's sitting there like, hey, Casper. You're very clever.
Mathematics. It doesn't pull your stop loss from thin air. It's like, man, 2 plus 2 is 5 stop loss there. Fagamo buys. Oh, wait, let's see if it confirms on the 1 minute.
Nah, not yet.
Nah, it didn't confirm in the 1 minute. I only stack positions if I enter on the 5 and then the 1 later confirms after. I'll stack more. Otherwise, I don't want to. The GR86 fund is looking good. I don't want to unnecessarily play. Maybe when I'm very very deep in profits, we can play with profits a little bit.
Nah, don't need to start jinxing things now, bro.
Yeah, io le tengo from the Nuka. It's funny moto.
The boys are, you guys are back in profits now.
You're still in drawdown, don't you? Not anymore. It's peaking above.
The boys are sitting there like, hey.
Okay. This is good. This is good. Yeah, Chad, if we survive this one. Oh, that's going to be a nice little story. You can tell your kids about that one. There was this one time, April 2025, Dow Jones longs got within a ball hair of my stop loss, but we brought it back.
No, it's not a market open strategy. Guys, champ, Chris and myself have been trading this thing at 8:30, 9 o'clock at night. It's not a
It freaking
a
works
market.
so well at night too.
Yeah.
It's actually insane. I'm actually keen. Like that's my training time, so I really can't focus on the charts, especially with the IN 2000. You need to be looking, but I'm very keen to what's the day? Thursday. I'm not training tomorrow. I'm very keen, like tomorrow, just sit down and be like, okay, let me focus on this thing properly. I need to change my training time. I'm missing out on money here.
Chad, this thing is crazy. This is boys trades plays out.
Jordan, no lie, that is my superpower. Being wicked out and the thing goes to TP. That is my superpower. I know exactly where not to put a stop loss.
These boys.
I swear to you now, if every single trade that ever wicked me out and went to TP played out, I'd have the 86 already. I would have it already. I can't tell you how many times this happened to me. To the point where now, if I go to Chris and be like, oh, guess what happened to my trade? He says like, you got wicked out and went to stop TP, didn't you? I'm like, no, you bastard, I actually won this one.
Let's see. I think it's playing with you guys a bit now, bro. It's just like, how bad do these boys want it?
It closed back in the Asian range. I'm calm. I'm chilling.
It's like, how bad? Let's see.
Wait, on the 15, where'd it go? On the 15, closed back in the Asian range. Now I'm good. If it's gonna come in, out again, and then close back in, tech. If it wicks me out now, it wasn't my trade. It's fine. That was just like bad trade, bad day. It's fine. I wouldn't even care.
Yo, Chad, these boys. It's looking good.
Yeah, there we go. Break those highs. Break it.
It's looking good.
The market moving very smoothly. Very
Just
smooth.
as planned.
Just as planned. Yes, Bonang's a legend. Bonang's a freaking legend.
I love Bonang.
No, I freaking love that dude.
I wonder, do you think Chris is still in?
Oh, I don't know, eh? Like spread. Let me see how close did I get?
That's the question, yeah.
How close did I get? No, there was some space on my broker feed. All depends. All depends how mean your broker is. I had some space.
Oh, Bonang's a great addition to the team. Yeah, we are so happy to have him on board.
No, he's legit. Chad, the amount of prop firms that man is nailing right now, it's redonkulous.
No, he's hurting the boys.
Yo, prop firm killer.
He's hurting them.
I swear he put that his $1 million account. I swear he put that prop firm out of business. Why suddenly are they having server issues? I swear he put them out of business.
We have shown the wins, but how about the stop loss placements? Oh.
Trade management on point. Look at that. It's perfect. Perfectly placed, like all things should be. This thing came a ball's hair from my break-even point, and now it's reversing. US 30 playing games today. Ow, Dow Jones. Wenzan. Wenzan, Dow Jones, Wenzan.
It's playing with these boys, yeah, guys.
What did I gauge wrong? And this is the liquidity sweep. And now we're going to go for sells.
Sure. I'll laugh, bro. I will laugh.
Ow, Dow Jones, Wenzan.
Fertility is going down, that's why, gents. Nah, I think you guys are still right for now, eh?
Now with that close above, what's that previous
daily lows.
previous day lows? No, I'm okay. I'm okay. That should come back. That should come back.
Yeah, Ruin. Not really. He was already off there a while ago, but yeah. Edge, I made 3K from your trade. I got wicked out.
You made 3K, but you got wicked out. What do you mean?
I
Huh? Did you lose 3K or make 3K? I'm confused.
Ish, I'm not asking questions.
Oh, you got wicked out at TP. I'm confused. You have to explain that. Oh, wicked out at break even. But you wouldn't have made 3K though.
I moved my stop loss in profits.
Gotcha. Hey, man, 3K is a bag. No one's just gonna hand you 3K for nothing.
Yeah, that's it. People don't think about that.
Yeah, 3K is a bag, guy.
You gotta graph for that.
If you gave me 3K right now, I know exactly how I'd spend it too.
Keeks, did you also hit B on the cracker, or what stop loss did you use? The 60 pip stop. I personally took half the position only because I wanted to let it run, but yeah, the rest, which I'm not really going on about it because it's not really a win in my book, but yeah, it came close. It was literally, that's just, so depending on where you entered spreads, you literally would have, I think it hit 59 pips on the dot, just not 60. So depending on what your ask and those things are, you might have got in, but yeah, that depends on where the person entered.
Hey, Figiano, where else do single men spend a Thursday night?
It hit my TP, but spread missed me. Yeah, that's what I was saying. So the spread could have made it a bit different for people, but yeah.
Okay, I just want this, just because of how finicky this is. I want to wait till this 5 closes. And if this closes nice, I'll go break even. 3K at Mavericks.
These boys, Chad. These boys.
Oh, Chad, we even prayed at the beginning. Where is this degen behavior coming from? You guys must chill.
Ay. Hey, Casper.
Hey, Casper, Wenzan. What are you doing? Where the heck's Cheeky Tiger now?
That I don't even know.
Ed using a sangoma. Hey, you must consult the ancestors. When you go into this trading thing, if you go by yourself, Toto, you'll get hit. Is Golden Curtain still open in P? I don't think so. I haven't heard that name in a while.
Sure, yeah.
No, I think it closed a while back. Okay, Chad, I'm going break even on this. We are well past that 50% mark.
The boys are securing.
Yeah, it is at least risk-free. It can still It won't slice us like a chicken, but it can still do funny things. But we are out. Hey, I may hear my own voice here. How was yours? That's it.
I'm right even now.
Yeah, I was saying, but where was the stop loss?
That's break even. No, I mean like where our stop loss was perfect.
So freaking perfect, eh?
It sniffed us.
Iron 2000, man. It knows what it's doing. Ed, my grandma doesn't believe how you survived that. That little stopperino. Hey, brah. Iron 2000. Precise. Calculated. I had a whole... How much is this? I had a whole 10, 11 pips to spare. Precise and order.
Right, literally, I don't know if the chat can see. That thing literally left me. There's your camera. I don't know if they can see. Did you scroll up there? It's break even now, but it came to sniff us.
Hey. These boys. Yeah, it does work well at night, guys.
I actually tried trading.
And I killed gold as well, man.
Did you take the sell on goal?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh shit, that worked out well. It didn't look convincing to me, man.
Huh?
It didn't look convincing to me.
8+7.
No, man, like I like some distance in the little signal candle there. That wasn't the. Was that 1-to-1? Just about to hit TP and gold. Chad, Iron 2000 works so well at night. I've caught myself in the gym in between sets, like checking to see if I can enter, but like the signals happen too fast. I'll be like, oh, there's nothing happening yet. I'll do like a set, talk shit to someone, come back and be like, oh, I missed it by like 3 minutes. But I'm tempted to move my training sessions to the morning just so I can trade properly at night.
Hey, Chad, you see, that's what it's coming to. The boys are like, yo, we need to take things serious.
Secure the bag, man.
Move the training around it.
Nationals for who? 86 Fest. Chris was sweating, that's why he's so quiet.
That's when it breaks out. So that part,
So
then I only waited there.
So you don't, okay, I see. Okay, we'll chat afterwards.
Only single men can use the Iron 2000 at night. you see, Chad, sometimes God blesses you in weird ways.
Ah, Chad.
Sometimes he blesses you in weird ways. Hey, Veza. Just like it.
Hey, Casper.
What kills me is how bloody simple this thing is. And it took what, a combined 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 years of trading experience in this room to figure it out?
Ah, Chad, this thing is.
Think about the guy once said like somebody came to fix something. It took him 10 minutes. It's like, why are you charging me $300? It's like, you took me 8 years to know how to do it in 10 minutes. And that's what
Yeah, it's true. That is very, very true. Sure. Chad, how was that for a trade for you guys? You guys got to watch that whole thing out. I didn't even have to move around. You guys just got to watch the trade. Again, guys, Iron 2000. You can't make these things up.
Oh. From Tuesday? Just like it, okay.
You can rent the profit as well.
We should rename Iron 2000 to Prop Firm Killer. Okay, we hit Asian high. I think I got another.
You're so close there.
There's like a good 15, 16 pips to go. Negative. Do I look like Miles to you? Do I look like Miles to you? Trading negative.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, peer pressure. Okay, locked it.
You can trade it again tonight, bro.
I thought peeps, I traded it till almost 9 last night. I had to stop myself and say this, yeah.
You have to-
you can't get on the screen. Like, get off the screen.
Okay, Chad, I locked it right here. Negative RR like a degen. What is that? 0.9. It's not the worst. Okay. Lekker. Although commissions raped me today. Those NAS break evens cost me. Christopher, I hope you are dead wrong. I hope US 30 crashes to the floor after this. Then I'll be able to live with myself.
So if it doesn't, it's like a...
Damn it! Those bastards got me to close for nothing.
Just do yourself a favor, bro.
Look,
Just
I
don't...
flip bullish now today. That's the thing.
Yeah.
You literally flip this thing can do like another.
Oh, is it bullish on the day now?
No, we literally 0.0.
Oh, we flipped bullish on the day. Man, I should have held. Oh, and we closed that gap beautifully too. This thing is gonna run. This thing's gonna run. Now I'm out. One is to 0.91 thanks to somebody.
Good enough.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. Since when am I negative RR? This is weird. I don't like it. And then that would have been the 1 R right there. Check. Anyway. A win is a win. Was there a time when Iron 2000 and Trade for You gave the same setup at the same time? There was one that was very similar. I think Trade for You was like 10-ish minutes earlier.
Yeah.
I held that one for like 2 hours. I was like, I am holding that bad boy. Oh, and there was one, I think it was yesterday. Bonang was going for, I think he was going for longs in US 30. And the Iron 2000 was going for longs. I was like, I am holding that. Because that's a two very different strats giving an entry at the same time. You know that's a winner.
Yeah.
So I had 2,000 crowns for the actual 3
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 4 signals, 2 shorts, 2 longs.
Is that the 5 or the 1? Oh, but this is on the actual programmed one, eh? Okay. You have to explain to me why the programmed one and this one are different. It's going to mess my brain up.
Huge Shane Keys, you guys said the Prodigies will get access to Iron when you guys launch it. Yeah, they will. Monday.
Don't give it to them. They don't deserve it. We can't even get 200 likes right now. Don't give it to them.
It's going to be both.
We will give it to the Chad when we get 20,000 subs. Then they can get Iron 2000. What's this? Just here's our money tree here for free. Aye. When's on? Yes. Go down. US 30, go down. Go all the way down.
I don't actually think the guys are really good.
Yeah, Chad, it is.
I don't think the point is
Aye, Rugs, you don't know me. Yo, I am a selfish winner. I want to win by myself.
All you can do
That's it. Big Ed, you'll make me drive over every blue 86. Ed, we still holding with Bonang. Hey.
He still. Oh, he was in buys this. He went in buys this morning, eh?
Yeah.
Oh shit! You see all the reasons why I could have held this. I completely forgot about that. Actually, I would love for this to drop down, so I can get another buy signal. If it is going to continue up, give me another one. Give me another one.
Just share with them some figures because they share with them.
Nah, I did share with him. If they just gonna check on my.
Share with them. Tell them about it.
Okay, chat.
Tell them what you do on a daily basis at the high.
So let's actually hold on. I want to pull something up there quickly.
Let's just show you because people want to see figures. Show them. Like we know the prop term stuff, but show them like.
Let's have a look here, Chad.
Show them the links.
So the first question, because that was something someone obviously asked me, was okay, Keegan, but what was the account you guys were trading that you did all these withdrawals?
You withdraw now in the year.
No, not yet. So I'm grabbing 5k. Okay, so we're grabbing 5k. You guys can go check this. I don't want to pull it up here on the screen, but I did share it.
Without sharing your personal information.
Can we make it that it's just that section?
Yeah.
Okay, but you have everything. Oh, wait, my things are on.
No, it's on my screen still. You're good.
Obviously, we need to cut out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want a re-entry, but it must go down first. Give me confirmations and then return back.
Alright guys, so we can look here quickly for you guys. Let's just have a look here. So on the 15th of the 4th, you guys know we've been doing this for just over about a week and a bit. So there you guys can see withdrawals: 16,000, 510,000, 199, 15,000, 422, 17,000, 249, 15,000, 25, 13,000, 55, and 12,129. You can see all the dates there. This is literally just from the 15th, the 16th, 17th, 17th, 22nd, 23rd, 23rd. So that is all been there, literally from Iron 2000.
Oh, how much did you start with?
5k.
Jazz ass. Jazz ass.
5k grubs.
5k grubs. I got. Wait. Chris, when you paying me again? Tomorrow? I need to put I need to create a little 5k grub account.
Imagine if you're grubbing with 50k.
Okay, listen. If I had 50k to grub with, if my boss paid me a little bit more fairly, I might have 50k to grub with.
Someone asking about the accuracy, so technically it hasn't lost. I'm not saying we're not gonna lose, but it hasn't lost.
I don't think there's a single 5-minute signal that's lost.
No.
I don't think there's a single one. Not yet. The 1 minute, if there's a few,
If you trade out of session on the 1 minute, you'll
Yes, out of session on the 1 doesn't do well,
but
the 5, no, the 5 does well.
The 5 minutes was solid.
Yeah.
At worst, I've taken a few break evens on the 5. I haven't taken a straight up loss.
Yeah.
The goal gave me the buy this morning on the 5 minute. That one actually took on the 1. Gave me the 5 minute sell, and then this morning was the buy, and a buy again. No, sorry, we went sells, me and you.
Yeah, we went cells, yeah. We went cells
we
earlier.
went sells.
And cells. And if I had actually taken the 1:1 on NAS, those would have been wins. I got greedy. That was my own fault. That was my own fault.
No wonder you can afford an Audi. That's amazing. Well done, Keys and the team. Well done, guys. Seems like Bonang wrote the code with those USD buys. Unfortunately not. I wish for just one of those rules. What if we want to know the criteria, not just get a signal we want to learn? Then you can learn how to trade. You don't need to learn how to code.
To be fair, if you have a keen eye, and if Chris, against my advice, actually gives us this indicator, you could figure out a lot of what it's based on if you really know what you're doing.
No, there's nothing gonna be visible. All the elements are
Oh, you're gonna hide everything. Okay. See, now I'm a little bit more okay with it.
everything. No, there's
Nah, but still 20,000 subscribers, Chad. You can't get for nothing. I will. How's my 86 gonna be special if everyone else is driving one too? They'd be like, oh, check my 86. Be like, it's the 100th one in PE now.
got a message from something thinking we like joking about it. Like, there's another identity.
Oh, it's just.
I'm like, dude, it's a real thing. Like, we're not gonna do all of this to be like, oh, hey guys, late April Fools.
Yeah.
Haha, we're
just jokes.
joking.
Just
Didn't mean
jokes.
it. No, US 30, go down. Go down.
Can't wait for the guys to get it. Yeah.
Jordan, I was in. If you count the re-entries, on the 5 and the 1, I was in 4 trades this morning. 2 hit TP, 2 hit break even. 1 now, and it'll probably give another 1 or 2 this evening as well. So you're looking like, if you don't count re-entries, like the one trade idea, you're looking at like 4, 5 a day. Bad day, maybe 3.
The next thing we need to code is something that locks you out after you've taken your 4 trades for the day. Because I told the guys now, it's going to give you one good signal in the morning, like an A prime.
Yeah, it'll give you one good one.
One good in the afternoon on US 30 and on
US student going all-time highs already. It must chill. It must. Although to be fair with you, if you look at, let's go to the monthly. If you look at the pullback we had from the last all-time highs, yeah, it's here. This was about 19%. And if you look at all previous pullbacks from all-time highs, that was 22%. That was a deep one, 38%. So yeah. How far does this go? 15. If you go on the weekly, should still be the 19%, eh? Yeah, 19% on that one. From all-time highs here to there.
You still like it?
Wait, what Dunya? No man, mute.
Too late.
Mute.
You get it.
No, no. 10 what?
I'm on
Version
version 10 now.
10. I in 2000 version 10.
Before you even release it.
Let's not overcook the thing.
No, it's just like
Like-
taking two advice, you keep up
Because I'm technically what on version 2. And version 2 is a killer. Is version 11 the one?
It's the lucky number there.
Bro, you should actually be new there.
Alright.
You're under it now. The weekly pivot. Oh, trade for you once gold sells. The 5. It hasn't confirmed yet though. It's waiting for this 5 to.
Indices won't go back now. I'm expecting Trump China announcement soon.
Yes, this morning. Yeah. I promise you. I can do it again if you want.
Did you get the buys this morning?
I to be honest with you, I wasn't looking. Buys this morning on which time frame?
Oh, yeah. I never updated. Oh, yeah.
Aren't you the one who does the updating?
No, I updated the chart,
Yeah. Yeah.
but it was not on my laptop. I was still, what?
That is hilarious. Okay, go up. Go up.
Chad, what do you guys think is going to happen with US30? What do you think is going to happen yet, Chad?
I'm pretty sure US 30 is going to have volatility.
Wait, the 30-minute, we are back at the weekly pivot. What do we think is going to happen yet, Chad?
And this is what we're going to expect Trump China announcement soon, assuming it's a good announcement. I wouldn't mind a little bit more of a retrace. I had a gut feeling when we broke back into that yearly resistance level, and you broke back above. You just buy and hold there. I had a gut feeling. Kind of like we tested it, bounced away, broke below it, and then broke back into it. I was like, what are the odds of us breaking back down again? I should have gone on that gut feel. But it was like, it happened at like, I think it was like, I saw it coming at like 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock or something, and I was like, ah, man, it's late, I'm sleepy. Hold the trade overnight based on a hunch, risk a business.
Your keys, what's better, Iron 2000 or the Cracker? The thing is, I can't lie, guys, I have to go Iron 2000. And the reason for that is it gives more trades. And how we're looking at it now, the win rate's right up there as well. So, yeah, if you can hit more trades and still win, I mean, you can't argue that one.
It's hard to argue that one, eh?
The Cracker gives one trade a day. That's it. So, yeah, it's a tough one. But I think it's a valid reason to say that, though.
I can get behind that.
The big question is, will you trade the Iron 2000 when you get?
Right now,
I'm gonna be looking at this bad boy from the gym. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I thought Kings lost, I took 2 trades.
Yeah.
I played him. He's like, bro, I'm the same. I'm actually gonna trade it now.
Just pop me a text when you if when you enter, in case you're not looking.
Dude, I was trading like 9:30 in the evening. Like, I literally had to tell myself if I stop and get off.
Just pop me a text, because I will be distracted when I'm at gym. Just pop me like, hey, I'm entering. Look.
Please tell Chris we miss him. Hey, the man will one of these days be back.
Actually, the man said he's busy. He needs a break. He has things to do, and now he's.
Champ, next week. Next week. No, not bar sell stops.
Zimcool. Aye, they must go down. Give us a chance to enter also. The bus must not leave.
I'm break even
Nah, I'm play it safe. I'm gonna play it safe.
now. I still asked you, you old and you were like, yo, you're old. I still asked you, you were like, it's robbery, yeah? I didn't know you closed that break even.
This man's lying, yeah.
Just tell the chat we entered.
No. No. Zimcool, it's not over yet. You must come down. You must come down, give us a chance to hop on the bus.
This thing is absolutely.
Like now, Chris and Keegan are debating whether we jump on the bus now. I'm like,
I'm still on the bus. I never knew you guys jumped.
I want a bus stop. I want a bus stop. It must come to me. I'm chilling. When it comes, I enter.
Hey, Chris.
Okay, Jordan, no, I didn't come here to be attacked, bro. Come on. Come on. It was 1 is to 0.91. It was 9% away from positive RR. Calm down. Why are you attacking me, bro? Why are you attacking me?
Bitcoin looks like a scene from, just the road goes this way and that way.
And I only did it because Chris made me.
Oh, guys, Chris is the bad influence, yeah.
He really is. And the only...
I'm still the one invited. I'm still the one that took it on the 1 minute. I'm flush, bro. Down to smack. Check. Down to smack.
About to smack that TP.
Nah, bro. I'm going to 1,000.
Nah, I'm...
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Smack arenas.
Hear my virtuously saying, I'll wait for a bus stop. Does this thing not just run without me?
You locked,
It should be.
I did not. No, it's so close.
No, it must come down. It must come down. You know what? Even if it hits that EQ and then it bounces back down,
Come on.
set me up for tomorrow maybe.
Do I really put extra UK do I not? That flip bullish on the daily.
ATM, I'm personally waiting for IN 2000 sub. It's not giving it. As you can see, it's one-way traffic on US 30 right now.
Give
Need,
it on the 1. Version.
not on version 2, yeah.
Your version 9.
I don't have a thing against version 9, but you haven't explained what the difference between version 2 and version 9 is. And like, I need to... Don't be that guy.
There we go. Snap.
Don't be that guy.
Boys, see you tomorrow.
Just
eradicating poverty.
One trade at a time.
Look at that. Was that from? Okay, so you took the.
I took the
Oh, yeah.
40
There we go. 5K.
Chad, there we go. So basically,
You have to show me tomorrow.
So, Chad, you'll see. So literally, let me just show you guys. Let me just take it off there. I'm gonna go. You guys can see. So as remember, we said we started at 5. That's what we do, and then literally there you go again today. You guys can see all the trades, but yeah, basically back at just shy of 20. It's literally 18,989. So a nice little cash out there again today. Yeah, so yeah, we're happy with that. Was a goodie there. So let's have a look here, guys. Quickly at Ed's trade. He closed that trade at the perfect position because it just continued to absolutely rocket off after that. So
I'm unsure what you just said.
I said
But
you
I feel attacked. I didn't catch what you just said, but that tone feels very attacky. What'd you say?
I said you closed your trade at the perfect time.
Tech. Tech.
That chat, it's been good.
sometimes-
Honestly, Iron 2000, it's just next level at this point. It really, really is.
Hey, it's cool. Looks like you'll be having a little interview with me soon.
Yeah, Chad. Yeah, it's absolutely crazy. I don't know if we're gonna take another
ATM.
trade here, guys. We've
ATM.
taken so many. Ed, I don't know. Is there something you still wanna look at?
No, there's nothing setting up. If we're gonna do a grubber play, it's still several pips out. Nah, it's alright, Chad. We can't
Yeah.
sit here forever.
No, Chad, that's the thing now. Iron 2000 things are going to become short and sweet. Don't need to force anything. So, Chad, I think we might just call it there. It has been a great one today. We honestly can't complain.
Chad, you think sitting in a room full of really good traders is a nice thing until you catch a win, and then the bastards next to you catch another win on top of your win, and you're sitting here feeling like a loser because you got less than 1 R, and these guys caught like, what was that? Was that 1 R?
1 to 3.
You see what I mean? I caught a win today, but somehow I feel like it's been a bad day.
No, man. Chad, all I'm going to say is you guys know where the link is. Sign up. Otherwise, get your hands in Project G. Reason we say that is why? Monday, it should be coming to you on a platform very, very close. So make sure you guys are locked in. Project G members, we'll have a chat with you guys this weekend about it, how you guys will move forward with it.
Yeah,
but otherwise, there's the links. Get your hands on it. The trade for you indicators. Otherwise, you can go Project G route. I do think the trade for you indicator route is a little bit better. There's a lot more that's going to be involved that way, which we will explain in the future. We had some meetings today, but all I'm going to say is I think that's a better option because that way, when you do it, you don't have to go enter separately. You technically are still done, but at the same time, there might be some prizes you guys also win that way.
Prizes.
So we've been, as I say, guys, we're cooking things to make it, as we said, always to give back to the community, always do stuff for you guys. So yeah, Ed, I'm gonna say thanks for joining us again today, my brother.
Always
good having you here. And guys, I told you, Iron 2000 is going to change the game for everyone. So we're gonna see you guys same place, same time tomorrow. And stay safe as always, guys. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Adios.
up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody. We show up in the party.
We show up in the party. We show up in the party. We show up in the party. We show up in the party. We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party, flyer than everybody.
We show up in the party.
We show up in the party. We show up in the party.